Welcome to the full HTML and CSS course. I'm super excited to start this journey with you. In this course, we're going to learn about two of the most important tools in web development, HTML and CSS. These tools are used to build almost every website you see online, from small blogs to big company websites. In this course, we're going to dive deep inside HTML and CSS. I don't just want to show you how to do things. I want to explore the whys. Why do these things exist? Why do we write code a certain way? If we understand the reason behind something, once we get the why, we can come up with the hows. We might even come up with our own ideas and better ways of doing things. This course comes with a dedicated reference website at htmlcss.react.js. This site is here to help you in two big ways. Number one, it's a roadmap. It gives you a clear step-by-step guide of the course. And number two, it's a summary. Each section comes with a quick summary you can refer back to anytime. At the end of this course, we have this project that we will build a complete landing page using only HTML and CSS. It's fully responsive and looks great on mobile, tablet, and desktop devices. You can check out the final results right now at html-css-project.react.js. So let's get started. What is HTML? This is the first question that we're going to answer. Well, HTML is like the structure to the web. It's like the bones of a body or the frame of a house. It puts everything in its right place. In technical words, HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language, and the syntax for that looks like this. This is a valid HTML tag for H1, and this one is the P tag. As you can see, it has this opening tag and this closing tag. Hypertext means you can click on words or images to jump around, just like a link. And markup language means it uses special tags to explain what each part of the page is. Tags are like instructions to the browser. And here you can see the markup side of the HTML. Later, we're going to explore this deeply. And the next is CSS. CSS stands for Cascading Style Sheets. If HTML is the bones, CSS is the skin. So CSS will make our website look modern, clean, and professional. And later, we're going to discuss this more. It has the selector, which select the HTML tag, and then we style it and add some properties. For example, here we have this color red. We add the red color and make the font size like 16 pixels. To see the difference between HTML and CSS, take a look at this section. We have this title, and then we have these two inputs. With HTML, we can build this structure right here. But if we add CSS, we can add all these animations, the styles to make it beautiful. Inside MDN, which is a good reference for the web, it says that HTML is the most basic building block of the web. It defines the meaning and the structure of the web content. If we scroll down a little bit, it says that hypertext refers to links that connect web pages to one another. And a little bit down, it says HTML uses markup to annotate text, images, and other content. So here are some basic tags for the HTML. We're going to explore most of these. And for the CSS, it says that is a style sheet language used to describe the presentation of a document written in HTML or XML. In this case, we're just going to focus on HTML. CSS describes how elements should be rendered on screen. And let's answer this question, why should you learn HTML and CSS? Well, if you do that, you can read and understand the code behind other websites. You can build any web page from scratch, add your own style and design, and most importantly, you can start your journey toward becoming a real web developer. Alright, next, we're going to set up our development environment and write our first HTML line.